Welcome to the Solana Weekly Update, which is now going to be bi-weekly. It's the 22nd of May 2023, and Solana is currently $19.68. Slightly up in 24 hours, but down slightly over 24 hours. This Twitter user has got their Saga phone, their Solana Mobile phone, and has posted some cool pictures. I've got mine today as well. I'm in Portugal, so I'll do an unboxing video tomorrow and then start to do reviews. The Dialect app is available on your mobile phone, and it's fantastic, so make sure you download it. They now have their biggest release yet, which is trading. So make sure you have Dialect on your Android or iOS device. The Hoopers should have their reveal coming up soon, but you do have to open the box. So they've got a step-by-step guide. Hopefully within the next few days we can actually open our boxes. I'll record how to open it when it's ready to go. But I'm excited to see what's inside, and I'm also excited to see how the whole process is. Remember, we need these really cool kind of features so that more people from the Web 2 space come into Web 3. It needs to be interesting and easy, kind of like Web 2.5. Also, I'll tell you now, but if you're going to be doing some sort of unboxing and you want to share it on Twitter or something like that, just use Loom from loom.com. It's free to use, and it's all you need just to capture the moment. I don't use it for these videos, but I will for something small, so bookmark this site. The Barrows. Their PFP membership project is going well. The last two have just gone down, with I Am Cadence taking this one, and Rusty here going to an anonymous person. But in a couple of days on the 25th of May, Clyde Twang Hawthorne, he'll be on Exchange Art, and maybe there'll be another one with him. If you want to be part of the membership and if you like the art, definitely go put a bid on. The bids have been going for over 150 Sol commonly though. Stepn, which is a move to earn game, has now integrated Apple Pay. I was very excited for Stepn in the early days, and in my opinion they messed up quite a few things, so I'm not excited or bullish for them at all. But I am bullish on the fact that they're integrating the Web 2 users by having Apple Pay being able to basically go and buy a sneaker. I won't go over this too much, but this is a move in the right direction for sure. Now, Metaplex is an organization that was basically given the use of the open source original NFT minting contracts, and now pretty much everyone uses their Metaplex standards. And they've come with a system to basically make sure that they can continue to create revenue for the organization into the future. Now, we don't have a whole lot of information on it. It hasn't been received particularly well. I'm just letting you know that I'll be following it and I'll be keeping you up to date with it. Essentially, at the moment, it's only 0.01 Sol. However, when Sol goes up to a higher price, that Sol amount will remain the same. Is it a good idea to keep the Sol amount like this, or should it be dynamic based on a kind of a USD value? There's plenty of news on Twitter regarding this, so you can have a look at yourself, but I'll link some interesting tweets. This is the main thread from Metaplex. They are doing a lot of good things for the ecosystem. I think what people just want to see is they want to see, where is this fee going? How will it improve the ecosystem, or will it just be going to Metaplex? Jordan Prince, who goes by redacted_J, is also Pit the Panda from the Degenerate Trash Pandas, and he's gone ahead and he's put out his views. Now, Jordan is close to this because he helped hugely the original NFT candy machine contract that allowed you to mint NFTs, and then that was given to Metaplex in an open source package. He's gone ahead and put in all of his views, but to be honest, we just have to see how it plays out. Solana Mobile, tomorrow, May 23rd, they'll have a Twitter Spaces with Claynosaurs. In my opinion, it'd be worth listening to this, or listening to the recording, or seeing if someone's done a good TLDR. On the subject of Claynosaurs, on May 30th, answer the call. So there'll be 2 new dinosaurs that you'll be able to mint if you have a Genesis token that's attached to a Saga, and the first 2,000 Saga phones ordered will have that Genesis token. You already had to order one in order to be eligible for this. But if you're thinking of getting a Saga, I will have a few reviews out on that in a few days. AssetDash is minting May 23rd, so tomorrow at 12:15 p.m. Eastern Time. There's not a lot of hype in the traditional way, in terms of in Discord and things like that, and so some people think it's not going to be successful. And I don't necessarily think it's going to be successful from the view that you'll mint at 5.55 Sol, and then a few hours later you'll be able to sell it for 10 Sol. I think it's going to be a slower climb up, but I am very excited for this. I'm also excited to see that the Magic Eden team is putting a lot of effort in to help the ecosystem continue to grow. They've been losing market share to Tensor, and they've been coming up with good systems to try and claw back some market share. All we really want is a competitive place. And a big shout out to Tiff, because she takes a lot of criticism and she just turns it into trying to create positivity. Of course, she's part of a team and not every decision is going to be correct. However, she generally tries. So regarding AssetDash, basically there's 0 fees and negative maker fees. So a maker fee is someone that lists, and a taker fee is someone that buys. So you earn SOL when someone buys your listing. Then I've got this little thread here. What is AssetDash? I did a video on AssetDash, but this will be faster to give you a little summary. So AssetDash is one of the leading consumer applications in the crypto and NFT space. I'll just paraphrase this. Vanta is a membership, and they aim to become the premier black card of Web3, and the total supply is 10,000. The Twitter handle of the CEO is @MattDaughter. Make sure you follow this dude here. Worthwhile. Essentially, AssetDash is trying to pull in more people from the Web2 space to the Web3 space by rewarding them with raffles and competitions and learning events and things like that. So just as a reminder, Mint goes live on Magic Eden at 12:15 p.m. Eastern Time. And as you can see, Magic Eden is fully invested in AssetDash. They've got a cool Twitter banner as well. This next little bit of alpha says that there will be a PFP collection attached to the Vanta membership card in the future. Now I think that's fantastic for onboarding people, really fantastic. Everyone knows my PFP is a degenerate ape, and that's what it is. However, I'm focused on trying to bring millions of people into Solana, and something like this could be their actual PFP. So overall, very bullish, but not financial advice. That's all for this midweek roundup. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.